It's no secret that insurance is big business. Billions of dollars in premiums are paid to insurance companies every year. Yet when it comes time for them to pay a claim, consumers often find themselves in a tug-of-war over money that's rightfully theirs. It's a practice insurance companies are all too skilled at, and unfortunately, get away with.
Eventually, insurance companies will pay a claim, but it depends on the type of insurance coverage you have. There is a no limitation threshold, which means you can sue for any injury. And then there is the limitation on lawsuit threshold. The catch-all criteria is if a person has a permanent injury that has not healed and will not heal with future treatment. Unfortunately, that's a very difficult standard to meet, and 92% of these cases lose at trial. Now, the insurance companies are well aware of that. The insurance companies are multi-billion-dollar corporations. They hire the best doctors to testify. Their doctors are professionals. They testify 50 times a year, and they probably write 10,000 reports a year. So that makes it a very onerous burden on the plaintiff's bar or the plaintiff's attorney to try to overcome this. I have personally thousands of transcripts on the various doctors that testify for the defense, and we use them to impeach the doctors. Because if you looked at their reports and their testimony, it's almost identical every situation. No one's ever injured, and if they were injured, it was a temporary injury that is healed.
The good news is consumers don't have to battle this alone. The specialized niche of personal injury law exists to fight for David, not Goliath. Attorneys in this field know the system inside and out, so policyholders can focus on getting better instead of getting the runaround from insurance companies. The expert legal team at Garces, Grabler, and LeBrocq have a long history of success in fighting personal injury and workers' comp cases.
If someone is hurt at the job, the first thing that person should do is report the injury to their employer, to their supervisor, to their boss. They have to ask for medical treatment if they think that they need medical treatment. Many of my clients are shy about doing these things. They think that they're going to lose their job. They're afraid that they're going to get in trouble or that the boss is going to be mad at them. They can't be that way. You have to be very firm. You have rights, you have to protect your rights.
With 7 offices located throughout New Jersey, Garces, Grabler, and LeBrocq is a full-service law firm that has an outstanding reputation throughout the region. Driven by a passion to always exceed expectations, each lawyer in the firm strives to deliver the highest quality service to be accessible, efficient, and responsive.
The law in New Jersey is liberal. If you get injured while you're working, you possibly have a workers' compensation claim. My suggestion is that you see a lawyer. Come on in and see me and I'll explain everything to you. Because basically there's 3 things that workers' compensation does for you in New Jersey. If you lose any time from work because of a work-related injury, you get paid while you're out. If you need to see a doctor, the bills get paid. If you have a permanent injury, you can get money for that permanent injury. And you really do need to see an attorney so that you understand fully all of these rights.
We pay all the costs up front, and then we take them out of the settlement, so it doesn't cost the client anything. And when we take a case to litigation, whether we win, lose the case, we do not charge the clients. We actually pay the expenses even if we lose the case, because it's our burden. We feel that if we're going to take a case to litigation, we expect to win the case.
Our clients are human testimony to the fact that we're good, that we care. Our clients, they speak volumes about who we are as a law firm. They've allowed us to grow when other firms are actually downsizing.
I fight like a tiger for my clients. I've been a workers' compensation lawyer for 31 years. It's all I do. I represent injured workers. I get referrals from insurance carriers. Adjusters who don't like dealing with me in court recognize how good I am and send me cases. Other lawyers that I fight against send me clients. That's my reputation. It's a rock-solid reputation. I'm proud of it and I've earned it. I'll do anything and everything I have to do to help people win in court.
It's very gratifying to help these people. Unfortunately, money cannot bring back their health. I have gotten people millions of dollars on multiple occasions, but with the severity of the injuries, the only thing you can do is give them money to try to improve the quality of their life. They're always going to be in pain. There's always going to be residuals. So it's our job to get them the most money we can and to fulfill their lives as much as money can substitute for their health.
Embedded in the fabric of the firm is the drive to work smarter, to help make the complex simple, to represent each client with the most experienced and knowledgeable legal team so that clients can have peace of mind.
I'm passionate about my work because I really, really want to help people who have been victimized or who have been injured in accidents. You know, they're defenseless at that moment, and I want to be their champion. And I want to tip the scales of justice in their favor.
Garces, Grabler, and LeBrocq. Big enough to win, but small enough to care. Call or click to learn more today.